Looking for the best Klipsch speakers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Klipsch Austin. Our pick for the best budget clip speaker. The Klipch Austin is a compact yet powerful speaker that takes your audio experience to the next level. This ultra-portable speaker is IP67 water and dust resistant, so you can take it to the beach or pool without worrying about damage. It supports Bluetooth 5.3 for a stable connection, ensuring your music plays without interruptions. It also features Klipsch's broadcast mode for sharing music easily and speakerphone capabilities for hands-free calls. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 12 hours on a single charge, perfect for long hikes or beach days when charging might not be available. Despite its small size, the 2-inch woofer and separate tweeter provide better sound separation than most other speakers with a single driver. You'll get rich midtones and crisp highs, making your playlists sound great. The built-in strap makes it easy to attach the speaker to your bike or backpack, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. It's lightweight and easy to carry. One small downside is the bass. If you're a bass lover, you might want a bit more low-end punch, but the speaker still delivers clear, enjoyable sound. Overall, the Klipsch Austin offers a great balance of performance and portability. Number 4. Clip Nashville. The best portable Klipsch speaker. Meet the Clip Nashville, your new favorite portable speaker. This speaker shines with its robust sound and thoughtful features, making it the best choice in the Klipsch lineup. You'll appreciate its dual 2.25-inch drivers, offering rich sound from multiple angles. Plus, the added bass radiators ensure the lows are clean and punchy. Most importantly, you can tailor the audio experience through the Klipch Connect app, allowing full personalization. Battery life impresses with up to 24 hours on a single charge. This convenience lets you enjoy longer outdoor gatherings without fuss. Need to power up other devices? Just plug them into the USB-C port. Using it as a power bank helps in emergencies, although it might drain the Nashville's battery quicker. The IP67 rating means you can confidently take the Nashville to pool parties or beach outings without fear of damage from water or dust. Broadcast mode adds another layer of versatility, enabling connection with multiple Klipsch speakers. This is ideal for expanding your sound experience during bigger get-togethers. While you won't find wired options or Wi-Fi streaming, the Bluetooth 5.3 connection remains consistent and stable. For those craving bigger sound, Klipch does have larger models, but the Nashville strikes a fantastic balance between size and audio performance. Clip Nashville stands out for its impressive features and sound quality. Still searching for the perfect Klipch speaker? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Klipch the 9S. The best splurge clip speaker. Experience audio bliss with Klipch the 9S. These powered speakers are an incredible splurge for any music lover seeking versatility and stellar sound quality. You'll find a robust 8 inches woofer paired with a 1-inch tweeter inside a stylish package. Unlike smaller models like the 5s, these deliver deep, powerful sound that fills your room effortlessly. One of the standout features is their connectivity. With RCA, USB, HDMI, and optical ports, you can easily connect various devices. Imagine switching between your turntable, TV, and computer. With just a flick, this adaptability makes them perfect for soothing music sessions or lively movie nights. Integrating a built-in phono stage sets these apart from other speakers. There's no need for an extra phono preamp, so you can enjoy rich vinyl sound without additional clutter. Digital enthusiasts will love that they can stream high-quality audio up to 24-bit 192 kHz or connect wirelessly via Bluetooth. What shines most is the enormous sound quality you receive in such a compact design. However, do keep in mind these impressive speakers occupy a bit of space at over 1.5 feet tall. Instead of viewing it as a downside, think of it as a statement piece that enhances your room style. Klipch. The 9s offer unmatched performance and flexibility, ideal for various setups. Number 2. Klipch Flexus Core 200. The best soundbar Klipch speaker. Meet the Klipch Flexus Core 200, a soundbar that elevates your audio experience like no other. After extensive testing, it's clear why this model stands out among similar products. First, the sound quality impresses across all genres. 6 2.2525 inches ceramic drivers and dual 4 inches subwoofers deliver deep, resonant bass, making explosions in games like The Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild feel immersive. Music, videos, and even casual YouTube clips sound incredible thanks to superb clarity and integrated surround sound. Second, the collaboration between Klipch and Enio shines through in performance. Anko's expertise in audio processing enhances every note, recreating the ambience of a full multi-setup in a compact design. You'll truly feel like you're in a theater listening to your favorite shows. Build quality is robust. Measuring 44 in, it commands attention without overpowering your media center. This stylish design makes the Flexus Core 200 an eye-catching addition to your living space. A minor drawback lies in its size. If your setup is limited, finding space may require some rearrangement. However, that extra room brings massive sound benefits that far outweigh this small inconvenience. What I love most about this soundbar is its ability to bring cinematic quality to your living room, transforming any media experience. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Kipch Reference Premier RP8000F2. The best Klipch speaker overall. Experience sound like never before with the Klipch Reference Premier RP8000F2. These floor-standing speakers are a standout choice for audio enthusiasts. Their dual 8 inches woofers deliver deep bass, while the 1-inch titanium tweeters ensure crisp highs. Made from a unique ceramic material, woofers fatten up the mid-range without unwanted distortion. Seamless bass ports enhance sound clarity, making them ideal for rich audio experiences. Aluminum feet elevate speakers, reducing vibrations that often distort sound. This clever design ensures you enjoy your loud playlists without worry. Kipch's proprietary Tractrix horn technology aids treble clarity, reflecting sound perfectly throughout your room. Additionally, jumper cables for upward firing surround speakers allow easy upgrades, ensuring your sound system grows with your needs. Unlike many competitors, these reference speakers create a balanced soundscape, perfect for movies or music. You'll appreciate the ability to connect and expand your audio setup down the line. While they do take up considerable space, their performance justifies the footprint. One small drawback is their weight, making placement a bit of a workout. Thankfully, this heaviness translates to superior construction, and you'll feel confident in their durability. Kipch's RP8000F2 is the best option for anyone seeking extraordinary audio. You're in for a treat when you bring these remarkable speakers into your home. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best Klipch speakers. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which Klipch speaker you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.